All right, hi everyone. This is I'm going to look at solving example number 2 from the problem set. So the problem says at a given point above the Earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity is equal to 7.8 meters per second squared. What is the altitude of this point above Earth's surface? And they give you the mass of the Earth and the radius of the Earth. All right, so in these problems, you're pretty much just using the equation we went over last week in terms of we have G equals capital G times the mass of the central object, whatever the object it's orbiting, divided by d squared in this. And that will give us the acceleration of gravity. And so for this case, we're looking for a distance. So what at a given point above the Earth's surface, so we're looking for d in this equation. They give us g as 7.8. And so here we're looking we're going to set 7.8 meters per second squared in for G. Big G, that's the 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11th. And for the mass of the Earth, we're going to plug in 5.97 times 10 to the 24th. Can't wait till I get my stylus, guys. I ordered a stylus so that I won't have to draw with my mouse. All right. Then we have over d squared. And that's our unknown. So we're going to solve for that variable. All right. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this variable, we're going to multiply it up to that side, and we're going to take 7.8 and we're going to divide it over. And so what we're left with is, and then take the square root of both sides, and we get that d equals, so you plug in g times the mass divided by 7.8, and then take the square root, and you get 7.145 times 10 to the 6th meters. Now this is the total distance, but the problem's actually asking for the altitude. So we have to do one more step here, because if you think about what this problem is, right, here's the Earth, here's some point above the Earth's surface. What we found was the distance between these two, here to here. And then the altitude plus, so this is the radius of the Earth. And then this is the altitude, and we're looking for the altitude. So here, distance equals the radius of the Earth plus the altitude. And so if we plug in that for the distance there, the radius of the Earth is given as 6.38 times 10 to the 6th. So that's where you use that number. So we didn't use this number up here. And so then we're going to plug it in there. So plug that in, subtract, and we're going to get an altitude of 7.65 times 10 to the 6th. So 7.65 times 10 to the 6th meters. Did I do that right? Oh, sorry. Sorry, not 10 to the 6th, 10 to the 5th. Erase that. 10 to the 5th. All right, meters, or 765 kilometers. All right, and that's it. All right, good luck on the rest of them.